I spent hours turning my windows into a whole new glassy ecosystem, but there's one thing that's actually ruling the entire vibe. Zen Browser is one of the best browsers right now, but visually it doesn't match modern Windows customization setups. So in this video, we are going to completely transform Zen Browser into an insane clean glass UI. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you one spicy tool that is really going to take your Windows to a whole new crazy vibe. Before we get started, we have to make sure we've actually gotten Zen Browser, which is the original Zen Browser from the official website, which you can get it through zenbrowser.app over here. And what you have to do at this site is just download the beta version, which is the already existing one now. So I'll just download it up on my computer and we will start right into it. With Zen Browser installation, it's just the normal simple installation setup. You just have to click on next and install to actually install it on your computer. And once it's done, you just have to click on finish to launch Zen Browser on your computer. And at the first glance, when Zen Browser launches, you have this beautiful onboarding screen where we just have to just click on skip and next to actually get into the main home setup of Zen Browser. And here Zen Browser is fully done, but one thing we are going to do to actually elevate Zen Browser default look is to actually give every site a nice glassy look. So with this, we are going to have a nice glassy look at the end of the video to actually elevate it, and it's going to cut across all websites that we actually know exist. And this is going to be one of the best setup we are actually going to give our Zen Browser to make it look professional. So with this, I'm just going to go into the settings tab over here, which is the Zen Browser settings, and here I'll just click on Zen mode and here click on visit store. So once you are here, Zen mode is like a whole repository where they actually have a lot of mod that you can actually add to your Zen in order to elevate its looks or experience. So with this, we are going to install a mod called Transparent Zen, and with this mod we can just click on it, and what this mod does is actually remove the background of the main Zen Browser application in order to give it a nice glassy look. So with this, you can just click on install mode over here and it's actually going to do that. Once you have it installed, you just have to head back to the settings page and make sure you are on the Zen mode tab, and here click on this settings button, and here you are going to see allow transparency over here. Just click on it to actually toggle it on, and here you can close it and close your Zen Browser application. Once done, you just have to open it back. Just once here, if I open any web page, you are going to see it's still showing the same look, no changes, no big deal. It's still showing the same boring look and there's no effect added. So in order to add those beautiful effects, you just have to click on your extensions button over here, which is showing here. I'll click on it, and here you can click on add or also click on manage to actually take you to the extensions tab. And here what I'll do is to just click on the add-ons, which is going to take you to the repository where they house all the Firefox add-ons over here. And we are going to search for extension called Zen Internet over here, which is one of the best extensions you can ever get on your Zen Browser. And when you add it, you just have to click on OK to approve, and once you are done, you just have to click on your extensions button again, click on the extension, and here there's an onboarding screen that we have to configure. So you just have to scroll down over here and click on yes and click on next. Here click on enable themes by default and click on next again. And here the only thing you have to do here is to click on fetch latest styles and click on next again, and we are done. Once we are done with this, you can just close your browser app again and just open it up again. And once your browser is open, you can just head to any site and you are going to see that the site UI, everything has been changed to this glassy beautiful look and it looks amazing. So with this, you can watch any video or play any video you want, which is actually going to show you this glassy vibe, and it has a whole lot of vibe. So with this, when I click on the search bar, you get this beautiful blur background which looks amazing. Even when I search on Google, you are going to see that Google also have that beautiful background and it's amazing. So this is how it is, and it gives you this beautiful background where your wallpaper you have on the background actually pass through it, and it's amazing. So one last thing and a spicy thing I'm going to show you, which is really going to elevate the look of your Zen Browser, is an application called Mica For Everyone, which is one of the best tools which can actually elevate your glassy beautiful look. Once you have it, you just have to open it up, which is going to open this interface. And if it's your first time, you can just click on add new rule and click on add process rule, and just spell Zen over here and click on add rule. Once you have it, you can just click on it, and here click on acrylic and also click on rounded over here, and you can extend frame into the client area and also blur behind, which is a nice thing to add to your Zen browser. And once done, you can open Zen browser and you are going to get this beautiful look. And if you actually use it on your computer, you are going to see that your UI has actually improved from the same boring look to a whole new looks now, and this is amazing. So this is the Zen browser mode, which is actually going to take your Zen browser from looking boring like this to a whole new vibe, and this is beautiful. So if you like this Windows customization, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the video I'm going to make about this setup I'm creating. And if you like the video, if you really like this Zen browser customization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.